Welcome to Odd Jobs. Today we're doing service on this Ferris, and I'm going to show you how we do an oil change. Stick around. First thing you look at on the Ferris, deep down in here there's this hose, and this hose comes from the manufacturer like this. I was really surprised when I first saw this years ago. This hose will drain your oil, and you just have to take the fitting apart here, right? It's a cap inside of a hose. So we'll take this cap off and start draining through this drain hole that's right here. So when you're taking off the hose, hold it as high as you can so that just doesn't start pouring out. I'm going to take this cap off, and I'm going to go right through the hole, and underneath it, on the ground, is my tray. So, like that. We can see it dripping in there. I'm just going to let it flow for a little while. It's pretty black. Okay, don't mess around with oil filters. Look in the manual, call the dealer, get the exact oil filter that you need, and then you'll save yourself a whole bunch of grief, especially if your machine is new. You don't want to void the warranty by putting on a aftermarket oil filter. There you go. Nice job. Then you oil up the gasket. This goes around the new filter. Thread it on by hand. Put it on hand tight. Tight as your hand can go, as it is. The reason you don't put it on with a wrench is because when this heats up and everything starts to expand, it's going to tighten up even more, and then you'll never be able to get it off. Just as tight as you can muscle it. And that, I feel pretty good with that. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, I have to clean up my little mess in there, I think, eh? A little bit of oil. I'm gonna reach in there with a rag. Don't forget to put this cap back on. Clean it up good too. Any grime that's on this, you don't want it to seep back into the oil. Another half liter or so, I think. So when you have a big jug of oil like this, down here are all the markings that are going to tell you how many liters or quarts are in the container. And right now this is reading just over 3 liters, but not 3.5 liters. I want to leave 3 liters in here and put 2 liters in the machine. So I still got a bit more to put in. Let's put the cap in and pull it out. it's going to be pretty high. Yeah, but we haven't filled the filter yet, so we're going to have to start it. So we let the engine run for a minute or two and just let it circulate. And then we can come back and do checks again. And it says it's full. We're going to check it again later when it's sitting flat, but otherwise I'm happy with the way that this is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend. And thanks for watching Odd Jobs.